Today, in celebration of Chinese New Year, we're gonna play Chinese Zodiac Animal Movement Bingo. To get started, print out a copy of the Chinese Animal Zodiac Bingo card from the OT section of your Google Classroom. Make sure you print one for each person playing, plus one extra to cut into bingo pieces. You can help your student to cut out the pieces. Once they're all cut out, put them in a bowl to select them while we're playing bingo. As we play, someone will select a bingo piece. I got horse. We're gonna do the animal movement together, and then be sure to mark off your bingo card. Once you get 3 in a row going up and down or 4 across, you've got bingo. Let's play. Ready to play? Let's choose our first bingo card. I got dog. Who can crawl like a dog? Here I go, on my hands and knees. Dog. Don't forget to mark your bingo card. Let's pick another. I got monkey. Let's move like a monkey. Can you scratch your sides and flap your arms? Let's move like a monkey. Make sure you mark off monkey on your bingo card. Ready? What's next? Tiger. I can arch my back like a big cat, like a tiger. Here we go. Arch up and down, up and down. Nice job, arching your back like a tiger. Mark off tiger on your bingo card. I'm gonna pick again. I got rabbit. Ready to hop? Let's hop like a rabbit. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job hopping like a rabbit. Make sure you cross it off on your bingo card. I'm gonna pick another. I got horse. Ready to trot like a horse? Here we go. Horse. I think that's bingo for me. Let's check. Have you been marking your bingo card? I have. Check it out. I got 3 animals in a row. Tiger, horse, and dog. Bingo! Have fun playing Chinese Zodiac Animal Movement Bingo. You can make up movements all on your own. It's about being creative and having a good time. Happy Lunar New Year, everyone.